Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Fanny and today let's talk about open source. So have you been wondering how to contribute to open source but you have no idea where to get projects from? This video is for you. So in this video I'm going to show you a platform where you can get open source projects and start contributing to them at your own pace. So first thing is we go to Google and search for Codetriage. Press enter. So this is the platform called codetriage.com and get started contributing to open source. So I'm just going to click on it, and here it says help out with your favorite open source projects and become better developer while doing it. So you can sign up with GitHub if you don't have an account. So you can look through these projects. There are a number of projects where you can just choose which one you like. You can just come here and filter by language. Let's look for, you can see there is CSS and it will filter for you all the open source projects related to CSS. You can see Bootstrap, 100 lines of code, etc. So let's choose a random project. So the easiest way to get started, sign up with GitHub. Now I already have an account, so I think I have to just log in. But if you haven't, just click on this button. So successfully authorized. From here I can browse the issues that are available. Now you can check through this link to see the issues that are available, the GitHub repository for that particular project. So once you choose on these issues, they'll ask you to send you a new issue. So let me just choose one issue. So I click on send me a new issue. Now before starting to contribute, you make sure that you go to the repository and you read through the project, understand the project, understand how it works, understand what the project is about, understand the code of conduct and everything. Make sure that you read through the projects, and then you can come here to issues and see the issues that are available before actually contributing. So after that, they'll send you new issues in your email, and from there you can start contributing to open source project at your own pace. So you can see that they have sent you signed up to get issues, and that is awesome. So they'll send you what is next, and then there is this issue that they have sent to you and all the details and how you can get started. I hope this video has helped you. So make sure that you start with the easiest projects, that you first get familiar with the platform, and then so this is the issue they have sent us. So you can just take 30 minutes of your time and contribute to your favorite open source project. Feel free to browse other many projects here on Codetriage. Now you might be wondering, I don't know how to code, how can I contribute to open source? Well, there are actually projects that would need like community leads, moderators, documentation. So it doesn't have to necessarily be code. Let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to write it in the comments. I'll be glad to answer. And also don't forget to follow me on Twitter @FannyCodes. See you in the next video.